Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox update problem. First go to your Roblox, see your problem, Roblox update problem. Your version of Roblox is out of data and will not work properly. Like the video, follow my all the steps properly. How to fix Roblox update problem. First go to your Play Store. Search Roblox. See your Roblox update available. Go to your phone settings. Scroll down. Now click apps. Scroll down. Scroll down. First stop Roblox. Click here storage, clear cache and clear data. Now allow all the permission. See your apps permission available. Restart your device and phone. And open your Roblox account. Hopefully your problem solve it successfully. See your problem, solve it successfully. Thank you.